Hi everyone, this presentation will give a brief synthesis on what motivates engagement in politics. Our focus question today is what psychological theories can help understand and explain the concept of political motivation. Imagine you have two friends, Kyle, who is not aware of any current events and has no interest in engaging with politics, and Justine, who loves getting politically involved and is currently running the campaign for a political candidate. Why is there such a large difference between the level of engagement of Kyle and Justine? Motivation is a cognitive representation of a desired endpoint that impacts one's evaluations, emotions, and behaviors. A person's political motivation is the motivation to engage in certain actions in the context of their desired political views. Self-determination theory believes motivation is internally driven through behavior and innate psychological needs. This theory posits that one has to have their needs for autonomy, competence, and relatedness fulfilled in order for them to be intrinsically motivated to undertake growth-promoting tasks such as political engagement. The hierarchical model of intrinsic and extrinsic motivation posits that all people have varying levels of curiosity depending on the specific area, known as the global, contextual, and situational levels. The global level represents an individual's general motivation towards life, their wishes, and the choices they make. The contextual level represents the general areas of one's life, such as their work and relationships, and the situational level refers to real-time actions and the consequences of said actions. The theory of planned behavior proposes that what determines human behavior is the intention behind it. It is suggested that behavioral intentions are influenced by the proposed likelihood that the behavior will produce an expected outcome. This expected outcome will also have its own side effects, which will influence the decision maker's level of motivation. Applying these theories to Kyle and Justine, we can see through self-determination theory that Kyle lacks intrinsic motivation and feels disconnected from the political process, whereas Justine is intrinsically motivated and feels a sense of autonomy in her choice to participate. In the hierarchical model of motivation, Kyle has a low level of global engagement, which is reflected in his general disinterest in politics. Justine has high contextual motivation, as she has a desire to impact her community positively. Theory of planned behavior explains that Kyle's lack of engagement may stem from a belief that his political participation won't lead to meaningful outcomes for him. Justine believes that her actions will lead to a beneficial outcome, such as influencing the upcoming election. To conclude, the key takeaways on this topic are: political motivation is influenced by all facets of an individual's life. Political motivation can come from basic psychological needs, relationships, or the level of control one believes they have, and political motivation can be tied back to various motivation theories. Thank you.